Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Alta Magnolia and we just stepped on the fourth floor and this is their Sky Lounge. It's actually pretty adorable. One of the things about Sky Lounges, I've seen so many of them. One of the things that kind of strikes me is they always kind of try to look too trendy. It's hard to explain, but this is a Sky Lounge that looks comfortable. Like I'd actually want to be here, more than just maybe once a year. They really did a good job with this. It's really a fun room. And this is just that part. Now let's actually go outside where you can see the view. So it's important to see this. Got a really nice, this is all covered here, and you've got some really comfortable looking couches, some chairs, so you can come up here, grab some wine. You can kind of see what's going on here. So chicken and pickle, hey, what's up with that? That's pickleball. So pickleball is right here at Chicken and Pickle, so you can get that chicken and then go play that pickleball right here. It's a great concept. Pickleball is sweeping the nation, so really, really cool to see that. Anyway, also you can see 121 over there, so quick access to go Allen. This is Allen, but there's a lot more to Allen over there. If you keep going there just a little bit, you're in Frisco, and West Plano is close. Plano's close over there too, and then McKinney's also close. This is kind of the Four Corners area, close to 4 towns, so great location. It's a quick access to go to the airport over here too. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Hope you've enjoyed seeing this sky tour. We've got one more thing to see. I can't wait for you to see it. Let's go see it right now.